So, I want to share about how to play song titled blah 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 from MANESKIN with guitar. So, if we play the song,
Fuck you. My mama told me that she never liked you. My life sucks and the blame is on you. So fuck you again.
it has same chords repetition. So I will play, of course, with the chords here like this.
Fuck you. My mama told me that she never liked you. My life sucks and the blame is on you. So fuck you again.
Yeah, just repeat it like that. For this part,
Fuck you.
play on the second string from 12th fret, bend like this, move to 8th, and then to 7th fret.
So fuck you. All my friends, they were right about you. You are so basic and you get stupid tattoos.
And for song ending part, play like this from here. Hope it will help you.